I certainly will have the vaccine. I think although I've had the COVID infection at the start of the pandemic and still have antibodies, there's no guarantee that it's going to provide me with the immunity while the pandemic lasts. I do not want to catch it again, although I did not have very severe symptoms and having to go to hospital from the infection. It was around 4 to 5 weeks of feeling absolutely ill. Some days are better than others. I do feel exhausted. I'm not able to actually do as much as I used to do. And I get aches and pains, which makes me feel like I've aged around 20 years before my time. Not how I want to feel at this time in my life. And I wouldn't wish this on anyone at all. And that's why the vaccine, I think, is important. I understand that with the vaccine, there are lots of unknowns, as well as when it comes to the virus. The fact that we have something that could actually help us manage the spread and the severity of the infection the virus caused, it almost feels unbelievable. And I think it's human to kind of step back and ask ourselves, is it real? I could pinch myself to ask this question. And I think there is a responsibility vested in us as health professionals to look after ourselves in the best way possible, be role models for our vulnerable patients and public. And given the nature of the pandemic and the loved ones we have lost worldwide, I think we give ourselves and the people we care for a chance for life. I think what I would tell people who are still skeptical about the vaccine is that we have achieved the impossible and we need to give this a chance to help us more. The amount of effort that has gone into this is simply unaccountable, and give yourself and your loved ones a fighting chance for tomorrow. I personally know people who have lost their lives to the COVID. We have history behind us. We have vaccines which have helped and protected us from various infections, kept our children safe from a lot of illnesses which took their lives earlier on. And so this is just another effort from our side. Give us another fighting chance to live our life to the fullest.